and welcome back to my channel, where today we have a Fashom unboxing. For those of you who don't know, Fashom is another clothing subscription. I believe they charge you a $20 styling fee, but it is not something that you have to do monthly. You can order a box on demand. One of my favorite things about Fashom is for the $20 that you pay, for one, it goes towards whatever item you keep, but it also, they donate $1 to a charity. I'm not sure which one, but I love companies that do that and give back. It just makes me feel like I'm helping a cause when I'm using my shopping addiction. But on that note, let's get in here. This is my first ever box. Very exciting for me. And yes, I did open the top because I hate trying to get these packages open if they're rough and not being able to do it fast enough. But so we've got our little envelope, our stuff to ship it back in. We've got, that's what the inside of the box looks like, but we're gonna open this card and see what is involved in here. So obviously they give you your invoice, which if you keep 3 items in the box, you get 25% off your items for the 3 items you keep, or you can do 30% off if you keep all 5 items in the box. The subtotal for everything in this box is $202. If I was to keep everything, it would be $141.40, which is a really, really nice discount. I'm not sure about the 25% off, but we will see. So here is the card. It says hashtag better as I am, believe in yourself, and you'll be unstoppable. And then what's next? Try before you buy and purchase your favorites. Not quite a fit, enjoy free return or exchanges. Save big by spending while you rescue dogs. Okay, so we're rescuing dogs in New York City when we purchase a box, which is so cool. I love dogs. I wish I had a dog. Apparently there is no message from your stylist at all. Oh, no, there is. It's right on the invoice. Okay. Sorry, guys. Hi, Sierra. Thanks for styling with Fashom. I have added cute and flattering pieces in this box I hope you'll love. I'm most excited for you to try the Les Amis Rias 3/4 sleeve dress. It is absolutely perfect for an anniversary. Because my anniversary is coming up, so I put in my notes that I wanted some date items. I added the Natural Life Luna Hasi wrap top because it looks amazing paired with the pin tuck front pants with zippers for a stylish and put together look. The staccato wrap front short sleeve floral print top and the 22nd animal print detail rayon top are great options for your closet as well. I would love to hear your feedback on how well you like each piece to style you better next time. Melissa. So I have Melissa for fashion and I have Marissa for Stitch Fix. I might get that a little confused, guys, but that's okay. So I'll just set these to the side. So let's get our little bundle out and get right into this. So cute. So we've got some polka dots there, floral, and then some other neutral designs. I'm very excited to get into this. I'm going to try not to damage the tissue paper too much. I still managed to do so. Okay, so we've got this blue one. This must be the one with the animal print. It's got that for the cuff. Let's see here. It's like a very nice thin fabric, so I mean it's not gonna overheat. That's really cute. So we got that, and then we've got this polka dot, which I believe is the dress. Let's see here. It's by Les Amis, and it's a size medium, and it's got a cute little tie front. And then we've got, oh, for this floral. Let's see. So this is the floral top. I might have to throw it over this, to be honest. It's got like a little crisscross bow front, so it's not what I was expecting. It's actually pretty cute. And then we've got, ooh, that fabric is really soft. It's a wrap top. I've got a lot of black in my closet. I'm trying to steer away from black. I'm trying to be more girly. Probably why you see me in flowers all the time, because I feel like it's making me girly. But that's the wrap top. Hopefully it'll look better on me. Things always that are roughly look a little weird. Oh, that's not what I expected the zipper pants to look like. I don't have anything like this in my closet, but I don't wear a lot of red. Things don't really match with red pants on me. So that's that, and then they look like they could be work pants, in my opinion, honestly. But with that, I will be back to try these stuff on for you guys. So these are the red pants with the zipper, and then the shirt with like the crisscross in the front and the leopard print cuffs. I like the shirt. I don't like the way it fits on me. It's like very soft, comfy material. I could use it lounging on the house. But I honestly feel like I would have problems paying this much for it unless I found it well, I would have to find this in Goodwill for much cheaper to keep something like this, to be honest. I like the crisscross front. I just have a lot of details like this already. And then with the pants, I do love the zippers. They're super comfortable. They have no pockets in back. It's only the pockets in front. So, I mean, it is very stylish piece, and they do work together more so than I thought they would. But, on that note, I will be back in the black top. So, I'm back in this black top, which I do really like. It's very comfy. It's stylish. It'd be like sleek to wear if you want to go on like a casual date or just out for the night. But I do have a lot of stuff like this in my closet. And with spring and summer coming up, I don't know. I just feel like I want some different stuff to wear. And this just blends in with everything I have. And it makes me look really dark. And I just want to look girly and sleek. And while I look girly in the shirt, I don't know if it's going to help me with the girly feeling and getting out of my black dark slump that I was in for a while. I did that a lot as a teenager, and I'm trying to get away from that. But I will be back in the floral shirt. So I am back in this floral shirt, and it is so pretty. I love the ties in the front. I love that it's flowy. I definitely don't have anything like this in my closet because I do tend to stay away from white with kids because they do tend to stain my stuff. But once again, I'm surprised on how it goes with the pants. Like, the pants seem to go with everything in this box, and that is very surprising to me because I would not expect red pants to go with anything, in my opinion. But I'm very pleased with the box. When I was looking at their selections for me, I was like, I'm not sure about this box. This is not my normal style. The shirt is definitely my style, but I thought that it was going to be like a hole in the front thing, and it's not. It's just like a crisscross, flowy look, and I love it. But I will be back in the dress. So I am in this cute little Rias polka dot dress, and it is very, very cute. I didn't see myself liking it, but it like fits so well. It's so soft. It's got this tie in the front. I don't know if it necessarily fits my request for date night, honestly. But it is very cute, and I do like it. I'm having a hard time. But I will be back after I try on the other outfit by myself and try to figure out which I like better. Alright, so I'm going to sit down and do some figuring out with this. I'm having a problem between 3 items in the box, and I've never had this problem with my first box ever because normally they don't know your style that well. So I'm very pleased with Fashom, but I'm also a little scared to do any more of Fashom at this point after seeing how well they nailed this one. I love the shirt. I love the pants. They're so comfortable. They're different. And the dress is absolutely amazing. This black shirt, I have too many things like it, so that's definitely going back. The blue shirt, while I like it, I don't like the way it fits my body. That's going back. So it's between the dress, the pants, and this shirt. Now, obviously, if you keep the full box with the discounts at 30% off, it's $141.40. And then I have the $20 I put towards the box, so that brings it down to $121.40. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. Now, the price of the pants with 25% off is $32.25. The price of the wrap top is $29.25, and the price of the dress is $34.50. I don't know if I can afford to keep all 3 items. But if I don't keep all 3 items, then I get the full prices, which are $43 for the pants, $39 for this top, and $46 for the dress. I cannot afford to keep the dress by itself, honestly. Now, the price on the dress at 25% off is actually pretty nice. The pants are really cool, but then if I don't keep all 3 items, I don't get that discount, and therefore the $43 for the pants seems a little ridiculous. If I keep just the wrap or this top, then the price on it would be $19 I'd have to pay on it, which is a lot better than the other stuff. So honestly, even though I love the way the dress fits and I love the way the pants fit, it all around would be cheaper to keep this little number. And it is by far the favorite flowy thing I have in the box. Obviously, I don't want to lose the $20 I put on the box, so that automatically warrants me keeping one thing. Honestly, they did really good. I'm very surprised. Tell me what your guys thought was your favorite in this box. What do you think I should keep? By the time you guys see this, I probably will have already made a decision, but I still love to hear your guys' opinion. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. I love having you guys here. Until next time, everyone. Bye!